Firefighter Kiki, there is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to call the fire department if there is a fire. The fire brigade will come to the rescue immediately. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete. Let's fill the fire truck with water. Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Drag the hose to connect the fire hydrant. Turn the hose to tighten it. Let's connect the pipes together. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier. There is an emergency call for help.